Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about cadence algorithm. Cadence algorithm is used to find the maximum sum of the continuous subarray within a array. This algorithm takes O of n time complexity where n is the size of array and O of 1 is space complexity. Let's see how to code the cadence algorithm. For implementing cadence algorithm, I am defining a function cadence algo which take a vector of integer as a parameter and return integer, and here it in form of integer it return the maximum sum of the continuous subarray. So first we need to find the size of the vector and then initialize a answer variable and store the first element of the array, and then initialize the sum variable with 0. The sum variable keep track of the sum of our current continuous sub array, and then iterate over the vector from index 0 to n minus 1 using a for loop, and then in each iteration check if sum is negative, then make sum as 0. The reason behind why we making our sum as 0 is that if sum is negative, it means that our current subarray's element sum is negative. So it was not a good idea to keep this element in the subarray. It is better to discard these elements. So make it 0, and w- then add the value of array I inside in the sum, and then update our ans to the maximum of ans and sum. And you, as you know, this sum it represent the current sum of our sub array. So, and then after the iteration we will get the maximum sum of the continuous subarray that can be formed using our array. Let's do one exercise. You are given a array of size 9 which contain 2 minus 3 4 5 minus 2 4 minus 12 13 5 and 2 as its element. Let's start the iteration. First, our answer is equal to array 0, which means answer is 2, and then we going to take 2 as our sum previous sum is 0, then we going to add this 2 inside our sum, then our sum become 2, and then we going to update our answer a maximum of sum comma answer, that is 2, it is 2, and then take minus 3, then our sum is minus 1, then keep maximum of answer comma sum, that is 2, so keep it 2, and then as you can see this sum become negative, then it is not a good idea to keep these element to so discard the previous elements. So and now the sum is 0, and then we're going to add 4, then our sum become 4, and maximum of ans and sum is 4, so we can update our ans to 4, and then we going to take 5 and 4 5 sum is 9, and we going to update our answer with the maximum of answer and sum, that is 9. And then we're going to add minus 2 the sum become 7, then it is 9. So we going to keep our answer remains same, that is 9. And then we're going to take 4, then 7 plus 4 is 11, then we're going to update our answer because maximum of 9 and 11 is 11. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to take minus 12 and our sum become minus 1. We go now, our answer remains same as 11. And then if our sum is negative, then discard the previous elements. So our, and in next time we're going to add 13 in our subarray, and we're going to update our answer by maximum of 11 and 13, that is 13. And then we're going to add 5 in our subarray, and our sum become 18, then maximum of 13 and 18 is 18. Then we're going to update our answer with the 18. And then we're going to take 2 13 5 2, the sum is 20, and we're going to update our answer by 20, and our final answer is 20. Don't forget to practice this concept: code, compete, and win.